We're here today to discuss a problem that we have seen and solved. We had a customer come to us with a corrosion issue. This particular customer was a brake remanufacturer, and upon finishing the product and packaging it and sending it to their end user, rust was occurring between that step. They came to us because they had a 100% failure. This particular customer was using a soluble oil for rust protection. And upon further investigation, we found that the water was the cause of this issue. The parts were hot when being immersed into the soluble oil, causing the parts when cooling to rust from the inside out. We discussed this with the customer and explained to them that they needed to eliminate water from the process. So we discussed a water-displacing oil. The difference being that the water-displacing oil is used at 100% concentration, where the rust preventative before was used as a dilute solution, 10% by volume oil, 90% by volume water. Quite a difference. The customer needed to understand that where they were saving money with the soluble oil because they could never get a good part was costing them credibility and customer returns, and the fact that they were having to reprocess parts over and over to get the same result, which was rust. Once we convinced the customer to try our product and immerse the part in a 100% solution of MetalGuard 560, we were able to completely eliminate their rust issue. Since switching to MetalGuard 560, this customer has experienced zero rust issues in over 5 years with zero complaints.